What if I told you the biggest funding mistake most small business owners make isn't having bad credit, a lack of revenue, or even getting denied for a loan? It's relying on just one funding source, and that single mistake could be limiting your growth. In this video, I'm going to show you the funding strategy most small businesses are missing and how you can position your business for long-term success. Let's dive in. The problem. Many business owners become obsessed with finding one magical funding solution. Some only look for grants. Others only focus on SBA loans. Some rely entirely on personal credit cards. And many spend months chasing funding opportunities without a clear strategy. Here's the truth. Funding isn't about finding money. Funding is about creating a plan. Think about it this way. A healthy business doesn't rely on one customer. A healthy business doesn't rely on one marketing channel. And a healthy business shouldn't rely on one funding source. The solution. The businesses that grow consistently usually have a diversified funding strategy. That strategy may include business credit working capital lines of credit, SBA loans, equipment financing, strategic partnerships. Each funding source serves a different purpose. For example, a line of credit may help manage cash flow. An SBA loan may help fund expansion. Business credit can help preserve cash. And grants can help support specific programs and projects. The key is understanding which funding tool fits your current business needs. Instead of asking, "Where can I get money?" ask, "What funding solution best supports my business goals?" That's a completely different conversation. The funding roadmap. Here's a simple framework I teach my clients. Before applying for any funding, ask yourself, 1. What do I need the money for? 2. How much do I actually need? 3. How quickly do I need it? 4. What will the return on investment be? 5. Which funding option makes the most sense for this purpose? When you answer those questions first, you stop chasing money and start building a funding strategy. If you're a business owner, nonprofit leader, or entrepreneur, remember this. The goal isn't just getting approved for funding. The goal is building a business that has access to multiple funding opportunities when it needs them. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with another entrepreneur. And if you'd like help creating a funding strategy for your organization or business, check out the link below. Until next time, keep building, keep growing, and keep funding your vision. Funding strategy consultation, business, funding solutions, cubecapitalgroup.com.